If you're sick and tired of not getting the results you deserve online, then listen up, because we have the ultimate traffic solution for you that will help you crush it online in April 2021 and beyond. Until now, this ultimate traffic solution has been kept underground, and we've been using it in our online business to generate free buyer traffic every single day to our affiliate links, landing pages, websites, and funnels. Thanks to the success of this brand new traffic solution, we finally decided to reveal it to the world. And we've developed a brand new cutting-edge technology software for 2021 that lets you clone exactly what we're doing to get free buyer traffic by tapping into this super secret underground traffic source. Even if you're a newbie with no tech skills and no previous experience, this will work for you. What we have for you here today has never been done before. It's 100% new, unique, and fresh for 2021. Introducing the brand new Embassy cloud-based traffic app. Embassy is the most powerful software my team and I have ever created to generate buyer traffic on demand. Hey, if you can follow these 3 super simple steps, then you'll be generating free buyer traffic starting today. So you can finally break free from the daily struggles and live the life you've always dreamed of. Step 1. Purchase. Grab a copy before the price increases. Step 2. Activate. Log in, activate, and hit the traffic button. Step 3. Enjoy. Sit back, relax, and finally live the laptop lifestyle. Yes, it really is that easy. Hey, if you can follow those simple steps, then you'll see success with the Embassy software and system. This software has been created from the ground up for beginners just like you, so you can finally see real results online. What's so great about the Embassy traffic system is that it gets you free buyer traffic from a 30 million per day visitor traffic source. And just for the record, this has nothing to do with any hard work, anything difficult, creating products, creating videos, getting on camera, spamming social media, or anything else you can think of. This software and method lets you exploit content and videos made by others for an automated stream of free buyer traffic on demand. We created Embassy for beginners and newbies to finally break through and get results they truly deserve. This is our best, most powerful free traffic software we've ever created. And the best part about the Embassy software and system, there are no monthly costs. And to top it off, you're also getting free buyer traffic built in. Embassy is a dream come true if you're into e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or list building. The included over-the-shoulder training will get you up and running fast while showing you how to get the best possible results. This is a 100% newbie-proof system and formula that's enabled us to crush it online for years. And now it's your turn to replicate the exact same system. Below this message, you'll see complete details and results from real users of this world-class traffic system. Now, at this point, you're probably thinking that this unique free buyer traffic system, well, it's going to cost you a fortune. And yes, under normal circumstances, you'd be 100% right to think that, considering that most softwares, tools, and resources that do similar tasks not only start at $97, but typically charge at least $47 per month to run. But today, you won't be paying $47 per month. You won't even be paying $27 a month. Nope, not even $27 a month. As we want as many people to succeed with this software, we've decided to remove the monthly fee completely. When you act during the limited launch period, you won't be paying monthly. In fact, we're going to give you an amazing deal when you act right now. You can get in for a one-time price without any monthly fees. You can literally get in for less than the price of a couple of fancy meals for 2 at your favorite restaurant. And it gets even better. When you act right now, you'll also get more than 70+ brand new money-making bonuses worth thousands absolutely free. Hey, you can see all the juicy details below. Please note these bonuses are not your typical PLR bonuses like you're used to seeing. Each one of these premium bonuses can easily be sold for at least $100 each, but you get them absolutely free. And to make this a real no-brainer for you, we're totally removing all the risk with our unheard-of, no-questions-asked 180-day money-back guarantee. Yep, that's right, you're getting 180 days to try this out, and if it doesn't work out for you, then contact our support desk and we'll get you a prompt refund. So hurry and take action right now, because the price of Embassy is increasing every 60 minutes. So if you come back later, you will pay more, and we don't want you to miss out. If you want free buyer traffic with our 100% done-for-you brand new traffic app, then click the Buy Now button below right now to lock in your discount and get instant access to Embassy at a mind-blowing one-time price. Check below for even more details about this incredible brand new traffic app, and then hurry to lock in your access at this exclusive discount. I'll see you on the inside.